Hey guys, welcome to my vlog. This is my third day in Lofoten. I tried to see Northern Lights yesterday, but I was out of luck. I believe this is mythical, like Northern Lights does not exist, but yeah, I'll try my luck in Tromso. So in this vlog, I'll talk about two things mainly. One is the Norwegian fjord, and the second is the Atlantic roads. The Atlantic roads are the most beautiful roads I've ever driven on, and they are very dangerous when in snow, so you'll know why. So see the vlog. While driving around the island, I came across these weird bridges or roads on the water, which was really beautiful. So I went back home and googled them, and they are known as the Atlantic roads. Just have a look at them. It feels like I'm playing NFS in real life when I'm driving on them, and they're really dangerous when in snow because it gets really slippery and the bridges are really thin. Rest of my day was spent exploring the island and its fjord. Just have a look.
I couldn't even if I tried it. All I hear is this voice inside me, but I do my best to hide it. And I pray that it is temporarily. I've been lost for so long, but you make me feel that I am on something true, something real. You make me believe, you make me feel again. Left behind back at the station, suddenly there's no one else but me around. Lost my thought in translation. Oh, if I could only bring this back around. I have been lost for so long, but you make me feel that I am on something true, something real. You make me believe when
And as the time was coming to an end in the Lofoten Islands, we explored the fjords that the island had to offer, and we were treated with purple sky and beautiful fjords. Like, this is not a thing you would want to miss. My stay in Lofoten ends today, and tomorrow early morning I'm leaving for Tromso. I hope to see Northern Lights there because that is what I came here in Norway.
under the seat in front of you or in the overhead compartment. In the unlikely event of an emergency evacuation, all your
Guys, I'm in Tromso. I just landed. What's there, like how to transport, how like if the public transport is good or I have to rent a car. Very nice. Yeah, I know. It's freezing, that's why. Okay. Guys, I'm outside the airport. Just see the sky behind me, above the mountains. They are the northern lights, but they are faded right now. They'll increase over time, and there's also a lot of visual pollution, light pollution. So I will go head out in the dark and chase the northern lights. And also it's very cold, you can just see. It's 2 a.m. in the night and I was out the whole night in this winter, but guess what did I got to see? So it's a new day today and my wish to see the northern lights was completed yesterday. So I'll head out in the city and explore the city today, and I'll again try to see the northern lights in the night today.
Thank you very much. No, okay.
Yeah, oyster bhi hai.
फोकस में है क्या? हो ही नहीं सकता। फोकस में कैसे हो सकता है? फोकस में तो हो ही नहीं सकता। फोकस में है क्या? फोकस करो भाई, क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ जी, ये देखिए, ये बाबू जी का हमने कुछ नहीं किया। हमारा कोक है, वो कोक नहीं है, दूसरा कोक। हमारे पास कोई बैग नहीं है।